Hi everyone, welcome to HowtoFix Online. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify download error. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to download music on your Spotify application, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure you have a proper internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Find the best and stable internet connection for yourself and make sure that you enable the one with a stable connection. Once you do that, the next thing to make sure is to have enough space on your mobile device. You can check how much storage you have on your phone directly on the Spotify app. Tap open Spotify and make sure that you're logged in. From the main homepage, tap the gear button at the upper right hand corner and scroll down to storage. Your phone's available space will be displayed on the screen. If you don't have enough storage, you can try deleting some of the application you no longer use from the app drawer. Once you have enough storage for your Spotify application, go back to Spotify and try downloading the music of your choice. The next thing to take into consideration is to make sure to subscribe to Spotify Premium. You can only download songs if you're subscribed to Spotify Premium, so if you've not done that yet, launch open Spotify, make sure that you're logged in. From the main homepage, tap on the settings button or the gear button in the upper right hand corner. Now, from the settings tab, tap on Go Premium. And now once you get the premium version for Spotify, you can get Spotify free for 3 months and you'll also be able to download music and listen it offline. If you already are a premium subscriber and still you're not being able to download the music, then one of the reasons for that to happen is because you're trying to download too many songs at a time. Simply go to the settings button at the upper right hand corner and scroll down to storage. If you've already reached your download limit, you won't be able to download more songs from Spotify. If you want to download more, you need to get rid of all downloads. Simply tap on Remove All Downloads and tap on Remove in the pop-up. That way, you'll be able to download music from Spotify right away on your Android devices. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to download Spotify music and it keeps showing you download error message. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.